Let's first try to re-express this into a form that looks like this in order for us to find r. So to do that, let's expand this using identities. That will be r multiplied by cosine theta cosine alpha plus sine theta sine alpha. So it is going to be r cosine alpha cosine theta plus r sine alpha sine theta. And if you to compare coefficient on the left and right hand side, 12 is going to be equal to r cosine alpha, and 12 is going to be equal to r sine alpha. So if I were to rewrite this, r cosine alpha, this is equal to 12. I'm going to call this equation number 1. Then r sine alpha, this is also 12. I'm going to call this equation number 2. And if I were to take equation number 1 square plus equation number 2 square, this will give me a r square cosine square alpha plus r square sine square alpha to be equal to 12 square plus 12 square. And this is r square. If I were to factorize out, I will have a cosine square alpha plus sine square alpha. This is going to be 2 times of 12 square. And what is cosine square alpha plus sine square alpha? It is 1. So r square, this is going to be 2 times of 12 square, which means that r is going to be equal to 12 square root of 2. And p, from part 1, p is this, which means that p can also be rewritten as 22 plus this, which I know I can re-express it into a form that is like this now, where r is 12 square root of 2 cosine theta plus alpha. And the amplitude of this is 12 square root of 2. That is why the maximum possible p is going to be 22 plus 12 square root of 2 using the amplitude of this. And this will give us the maximum possible value for p.